Magandang hapon, Gigi. May bisita tayo ngayon. The Operations Manager ng Head Office ng Nspire, Sir Noel. Ay, Sir Noel. Kumusta?
Hi, good afternoon po.
Kumusta?
Eto naman, mabuti naman po. Napasyal kami dito sa office nyo ngayon.
Oo. Si Sir ang Operations Manager po ng Nspire. Head Office natin dito sa Balaca City. Kaya po siya head office kasi meron tayo sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas. And yung Nspire Bulacan nga po ay under Rockstar Holding Corporation. Pero hindi lang Bulacan. Kasi
Franchise.
nag-merge na kami. So, we are doing projects. Kasama na kami sa mga projects nila. So, updates lang tayo, sir. Like kanina, meron malis tayo mga sales team natin, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yung isang team natin ngayon on their way to Ifugao and Pangasinan.
Yeah.
And the others naman po, may mga meetings tayo sa Batangas and Nueva Ecija.
Okay. So, sir, sino yung mga clients natin sa Ifugao and Pangasinan?
Ifugao is the provincial capital mismo po, yung ano natin. And then for Pangasinan, mga municipalities tsaka yung division office ng Pangwan.
Okay.
Nueva Ecija, we have around 5 municipalities na clients natin.
Okay. Sir,
Bulacan, provincial capital of Bulacan, and then may endorsement letter na tayo from Governor Fernando. So we can communicate with all the municipalities of Bulacan.
Yeah. So, yun ang babanatan natin. And titirahin natin. So, nakakalat na ngayon yung mga sales team natin. So, nasa grassroots na sila ngayon. Ini-invade na nila yung buong Pilipinas. Yeah. Sir, ano ba yung mga services natin na in-offer para yung mga nanonood sa atin? If you want to avail the same program, the same software. So, sir,
actually, for government po kasi, like LGU and government agencies, we are offering Prime HRMS system.
Okay. So ano po yung ginagawa natin? How can we help them through Prime HRMS?
Yung Prime HRMS system kasi, ano po yun may memorandum order na yung Civil Service Commission doon. Kasi all employees of government agencies or LGUs are under Civil Service Commission.
Okay.
So basically po, before na mailagay ka sa position na ganito, yung papers mo dadaan muna na Civil Service Commission. Without the approval of Civil Service Commission, hindi ka pwedeng i-appoint or i-hire ng local government unit or any other government agencies. Now with regards to Prime HRMS na ino-offer natin ngayon, meron po kasing doon 4. Yung RSP, yung Learning Development, we have Performance Management, tsaka yung Rewards and Recognition. So meron tayong 4 levels doon. Una yung level 1, you're still under the auspices of CSC. Pag level 2 naman, ang mangyayari doon, pwede ka na mag-hire tapos validation na lang sa CSC. Pag na-reach mo yung level 3, you have full autonomy.
Okay.
Pag level 4 naman, excellence in HRMS naman yan.
So, yung in relation to that, tinutulungan natin sila, sir, para ma-manage yung data.
Aside from ma-manage po, para po ma-reach nila yung mga tinatawag natin na level doon sa Prime HR na nire-require na ngayon ng Civil Service Commission.
Okay.
From what we heard po kasi, magiging requirement na po yun para magkaroon sila ng seal of good local governance.
Yun. Di ba kasi minsan nakikita tayong gano'ng mga
SGLG award.
Okay.
Once kasi na-achieve mo yung ganong seal of good local governance, ibig sabihin maganda yung mga practices mo sa on all matters ng pagpapalakad po.
Alright, sir. That's for the government agency. Sa mga private naman, sir, how can we help?
Sa private, meron din tayong private HR which is totally different dun sa government HR. Kasama na po rito yung timekeeping, human resource, and payroll generation. Now, with regards to the other products that we have, of course, ang isa sa mga products na naibebenta natin ngayon is yung digital logbook, which automates po yung lahat ng manual logbook, whether offices man yung establishment, grocery, supermarket, churches. Kasi due to the pandemic, lahat po ngayon tayo required na magsulat ng pangalan natin, address. So ang ginawa natin, in-automate natin yun at a very low price. No? Magda-download lang po sila ng QR code sa cellphone nila. And then their information is safely nasa computer po nung client natin.
Alright. So, Gigi-verse yan. So, that's how we can help you, whether government agencies or private companies and even private schools. So,
We offer different solutions.
yon, we offer different solutions. Get a life. Ito nga sir yung nakalagay, no? Get a life, right? Para hindi ka, no? Para hindi ka stress, alright? Let Nspire help you manage your data, alright? Thank you, Sir Noel, our operations manager ng head office ng Nspire. So, PM lang kayo if you want one of our services and products. And even hardware, sir, we're selling.
Yes, we do sell hardware also. Tapos we do hardware integration also.
Software to hardware.
Yung software namin, in-integrate na namin yung
Yes.
different hardwares para hindi na po mahirap sa mga clients natin. Kung may existing hardware na sila, then kung kaparehas naman sila ng mga brands na binebenta namin, so integrated na po sila. Mas mapapabilis yung ano nila, yung process nila sa mga offices nila.
Sige, thank you, Sir Noel. Sige
Thank you
po,
po.
enjoy coffee. Thank you, Gigi-verse. Let's go. So, nandito ang gwapong-gwapo, Sir Harold. Sir, namimiss ka na to ng mga Gigi-verse eh.
Ay, hello po. Good afternoon, mga Gigi-verse.
Ngayon, tinitingnan namin kasi dito natin tatayo yung business center. So, may design na tayo. So, titingnan lang ni Sir kung may konti pa tayong re-revise na, Sir.
Apo, para dire-diretso na rin. Yung mga business center natin na papasok,
Yes,
alam na
oo.
nila yung model.
Oo.
Ngayon, nakatapos na rin tayo sa ating mga products, na-test na natin. Siyempre daw, hindi naman ganun kabilis na instant meron agad.
Yes,
So, maraming prosesong pagdadaanan. Ang maganda dyan, siyempre lahat ng mga gustong sumama sa atin nang nasa early stage pa lang tayo, sila yung mas makikinabang.
Yes.
And I am very confident kung paano natin ginawa sa Nspire. Yung Rockstar Beauty lalaki yan for sure.
Yeah, so ngayon open na tayo for yung mga interested sa business center. So we can have Zoom meeting. Just PM nyo lang po ako. And sa mga distributors natin, sir, nagawa tayo ng package, napakasamurang halaga for only 30,000. So pwede na kayo magkaroon ng inyong negosyo. Diyan lang sa bahay mo, pwede mo na simulan. Okay, sir? Sir, isa pang update, sandali lang. Mag-meeting kasi kami. Anong tawag dito? Yung ating Nspire. So, okay na tayo, sir, no? Yung sales team natin kanina nasa Ifugao ata sila.
Actually ngayon, Doc, sabay-sabay yan. So, meron tayong binigyan na tayo ng endorsement ng Provincial Government of Bulacan. Right now, nagro-roll out tayo sa Nueva Ecija. Yung Ifugao din, nag-roll out na rin tayo kasama yung mga enterprise solutions natin. And ang maganda dyan, yung tie-up ng Nspire at ng Rockstar is hand-on-hand. So, kasama lagi ang Rockstar sa growth ng Nspire.
Yes. Kaya nga, sa Thursday, nandun si Ma'am Jen. Pagka kaya ng katawan, kasama ako sa Talavera ba? Nueva Ecija. Yeah, baka makasama tayo.
Sige po, maganda makasama kayo doon.
Oo. Sige, tingnan natin. Higa lang ako doon. Thank you, boss. Thank you.
Okay, sige po, Doc.
Woo! what is RHC or Rockstar Holding Corporation?
Yeah, when you say holding corporation, that means you'll be having different shares with different companies. So, Rockstar Holding Corporation aims to have partnership with different businesses all over the Philippines.
At the present or as of the moment, what are the businesses of Rockstar Holding Corporation?
We already have existing partnership with Nspire, it's an IT solution company, and Dr. Spin is a self-service laundry shop, and we also have just Rockstar Digital Solutions. So aside from this partnership, we also have Rockstar Beauty, Rockstar Skills University, and Rockstar TV and Media Production. We use the word Rockstar because we believe that lahat tayo merong Rockstar power. And that's the vision of Rockstar Holding Corporation. That is to bring out the Rockstar power within you. And that Rockstar power, pwede mong gamitin for you to have your business, to have your livelihood, or to establish a career that can help your family and the church.
Can you tell us more about it, Doc?
Yeah, our investors will be having passive income by investing in Rockstar Holding Corporation. We are giving 10% guarantee for our investors annually. To join, basically, of course, we will be having a one-on-one discussion to explain what are the different businesses and how we can earn so that they have their peace of mind. Their money will be earning.